picked it up.
Hey, Carlos, come here real quick. Come here, Carlos. Carlos, come here. You gotta need a shot.
Huh? Shots? What? What?
Boom. Hold on, we'll do it together. We'll do the chair together.
I'm just gonna open it.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Alright, gents.
No.
Boom.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Takes a lot of work now.
That one made a little stronger for y'all.
Oh, this tastes the same.
Here we go. Of course it does. Of course it does, sir. I know.
Hey, so why is it smelling chicken again?
Let's go.
Chicken.
All right, so we're in the whip right now, and we got our blue, we got TruBody Blu. Oh, first time. Ha! This is so much fun. All right, you gonna pop it over? Cheers, my guy. Ding, ding, ding. Ah. Ah, not too crazy. You're not too crazy. Yeah.
I mean, the straight drops are still,
yeah.
But,
Cool.
yeah.
Yeah, man. I love it. Ha! Let's go. All right, I'm about to sit by and check with your brothers. All right. Good stuff. Yeah. So here I did it with the bossy. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, I bought it this side already. So here we're going to do the Buddha guy. I got the Buddha in the car. Here we go. Oh. Cheers. Tink. Ready? Let's go.
I'll get it all out.
That's it. Don't go crazy. Yeah. All right, my dude. Thank you. Yeah.